was actually flying in from Bombay. I thought if I said that, it'll get my hosts more nervous, and maybe they'll withdraw the invitation. And the opportunity like this doesn't come easily. So I said, all right. I've been late in my school through my 10 years of schooling, so I can be late in front of this audience also. Except now, as I tweeted before starting, that except I'm now answerable to more than 350 fine principals. I'm also quite pleasantly surprised to notice how few of you are male. Because, I'll say one thing to the men in this audience, that, you must be really fantastic at your jobs.
Congratulate Mr. Surya Prakash for getting this Lifetime Achievement Award. I'm so happy that he remembered us, and from the second batch, and even till date he remembers all of us. He taught us physics, but he also played cricket, badminton, and his classes were really great fun. Thank you.
Mr. Surya Prakash was one such teacher for us. The way he taught us physics, there was always fun and laughter in the class. And there was never that we were behind any schedule for any course or any syllabus. And there was never a chance when any subject had to be repeated by him in the class, because we understood him so well. And the atmosphere in the class was always jovial, very nice, and we all enjoyed ourselves. We could never realize that we were in a school or in a class, and that too of an important subject like physics was being taught to us. And the foundation that he laid for us at the time has stood by us till now. Wherever we have gone, those fundamentals of physics, at least in my life, because I joined National Defense Academy straight from the school, became an officer in the Navy, flew fighters in the Navy, I've operated from the deck, aircraft carrier decks. Subsequently, I'm now a pilot in the civil also, and after that I have become turned into a businessman also. But these fundamentals of physics, which we learned at the time, have remained so strongly embedded in our brains that now when my son is growing up, and when my daughter grew up, I was able to teach even them, based on what was taught to me by Mr. Surya Prakash. That's what Mr. Surya Prakash is for us. Thank you.
Today, as Mr. Surya Prakash is getting a Lifetime Achievement Award, I feel really happy to be here with him on this occasion. I feel happy and privileged to be his student. During my early years in my life, during my childhood, when Mr. Surya Prakash taught me in Navyuk School, he emerged as a very passionate teacher who connected very well with all his students. Mr. Surya Prakash taught physics, but other than physics, which is supposed to be a very tough subject, other than that, he related very well with all his students. I was lucky to be in his house, where he encouraged, motivated and guided me and all of us to do very well in our lives. Today, whatever I am, a lot of credit goes to the early years in my life, which were shaped by people like Mr. Surya Prakash. I sincerely congratulate him on getting this well-deserved award. Thank you.
First of all, I must say that this is a great day for us, all of us who are students of Navyuk and who have been taught by Mr. Surya Prakash, that he gets a Lifetime Achievement Award today. I think this is a befitting award for him, that he could achieve this amongst his peers. Otherwise, usually if it is judged by other people, there is always this fact that whether these people knew that person in depth, all in all or not. But I believe since it is an award bestowed by the peer group, which gives credence to the award itself. And secondly, I remember him not only as a teacher of physics, because I was never good at physics or mathematics to begin with, but I always remember him being a very jovial person, being a person who was all-rounder. He was good at many things. Besides physics, he was good in coming up with poetry. He was good at some sports also. So we see him as a complete man, and today we congratulate him, his family, and we all Navyugians are very proud of this achievement by Mr. Suraj Prakash. We wish him very well, and we wish that all this kind of more awards of this kind come on his way. Thank you.
आज बहुत खुशी की बात है कि मिस्टर सूर्य प्रकाश को लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया है। बहुत खुशी की बात है हम लोगों के लिए। समझ नहीं आ रहा कि शब्दों में कैसे उसको बयां किया जाए। बस मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि मिस्टर सूर्य प्रकाश पढ़ाते तो हमें फिजिक्स से, लेकिन हम सभी स्टूडेंट्स के साथ उनकी बड़ी लाजवाब केमिस्ट्री थी, बहुत अच्छी केमिस्ट्री शेयर करते थे। बस यही कहना चाहूँगा। धन्यवाद।
It's indeed a very proud moment today, when our own teacher Suraj Prakash sir, who taught us physics when we were in high school, is getting this lifetime award. It's such a great moment. It reminds me of my school days, the way he used to teach us, the kind of conviction and passion he had for his subject, till today. We find it difficult to find another teacher, I being in the field of education, it's difficult to get such good committed teachers till today. We have a great memory of the classes that he took. He's a great human being above everything else. We wish him all the best. We love you, sir.